In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a PDF on Google Drive. Locking your PDF file can be an essential step in ensuring the security and confidentiality of your documents, especially when sharing them with others. This simple process takes just a few minutes, and I'll guide you through each step in detail. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. You can simply type in drive.google.com in your address bar. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged in with the correct Google account so you can access your files seamlessly. After you've landed on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see your files and folders laid out. Find the PDF file you want to lock. Once located, right-click on the file to open a context menu. You'll notice several options here, but to proceed with locking the file, focus on the one that says File Information. Hover over File Information. This will offer you another submenu, and here you'll find the option you need. This step is paramount because it reveals the extended details and actions you can take on the selected file. So keep your cursor steady and explore this part of the context menu. Now, still within that submenu, look for the lock option and click on it. This action is essentially you instructing Google Drive to initiate the locking mechanism for your PDF. After clicking lock, a dialog box or confirmation prompt should appear on your screen. Depending on Google Drive's interface updates or your current settings, this step might vary slightly, but generally you'll see an option to proceed with the lock command. Finally, confirm your action to lock the PDF file by clicking on the lock button within the dialog box. This confirmation is crucial as it ensures that you indeed want to proceed with locking the document. Once you hit that lock option, Google Drive will apply the necessary restrictions to the PDF file. And there you go, by following these steps, your PDF is now securely locked and ready for sharing, with peace of mind that only authorized viewers can access its content. Remember, while these steps are straightforward, always double check your permissions and ensure you understand the scope of locking your document, as it may impact your access rights or the functionality of the file. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to lock your PDF files on Google Drive efficiently. For more tips on managing your documents securely online, stay connected and watch our upcoming guides. Have a wonderful day.